The Magical Balafon of Moussa. Once upon a time, in a small village near Lake Chad, lived a young boy named Moussa. Moussa was known for his love of music and had a special talent for playing the balafon, a traditional African musical instrument. Moussa was known for his love of music and had a special talent for playing the balafon, a traditional African musical instrument. One day, the village was visited by a group of nomads who were passing through the region. Among them was an old man who was said to possess magical powers. The old man heard Moussa playing the balafon and was captivated by the boy's talent. The old man approached Moussa and said, "Your music has touched my heart, young one. I wish to give you a gift in return." With that, the old man gave Moussa a small amulet. "This amulet," he said, "will make your music come alive." Moussa thanked the old man, and curious about the amulet, he wore it around his neck the next time he played the balafon. As he struck the first note, a beautiful bird appeared out of nowhere and started to dance to the rhythm. With each note that Moussa played, more animals appeared and danced along. The villagers were amazed to see this spectacle. Moussa's music, combined with the magical dance of the animals, brought joy and laughter to the people. From that day forward, Moussa's music became a symbol of unity and happiness in the village. And so, the story of Moussa and his magical balafon was told from generation to generation, reminding everyone of the power of music and the magic it holds.